Jay, give mommy the pig. Where's the pig? Good job. Very good, pig. Now give mama the duck. Quack, quack, quack. Where's the duck? Very good, Simone. Very good, duck. What about the sheep? Sheep. Very good. That's right. It's a sheep. Give me goat. Where's the goat? Very good. Goat. What about the farmer? Where's the farmer? Where's the farmer? It's not there? No, that's a... Put it back. You don't see the farmer? Okay. We'll do it again. What about the chicken? Where's the chicken? That's right. Chicken. Oh, now give me the farmer. Farmer. Hey, very good. Give me the farmer. And now the cow. Cow. That's right. Cow. And horsey. Horse. Yay. Very good. You did a great job.